Okay, let's go ahead and try a problem that's similar to what you might encounter on the midterm. Okay, so before we do the problem that's assigned to us here, which is asking us to write the following Mayan numeral as a Hindu Arabic number, and they're referring to the one way at the bottom, what we need to keep in mind is that at the bottom we have 20 to the 0, which is a 1. That's going to be what each of these is going to be worth. They're going to be worth 1s. Of course, if I draw a bar, that's a collection of 5 dots. So it's just easier to write a bar rather than the 5 dots. So for example, this would just be 8. All right, for the next box, we're dealing with 20 to the first power. So everything is going to be worth 20. So each of these dots are worth 20. And then if I have a bar, that's 5. So this is going to be 5, 6, 7 20s. So 7 20s is 140. Now it gets a little strange here because now you start doing 18 times 20 to the first power. Now 18 times 20 is 360. Okay, so each of these dots is going to be worth 360. And this is a collection of 5. So, you know, this would be this would be 11 360s. So that one requires a little more thinking. So 360 times 11 is 360 and 360. So 3960, if I did that right. 3960, it's worth double checking. So 5, 10, 11, 11 times 360. 1 times 0, 6, and 3 is 360. And the same over here, add down. And so we get 3,960. Okay, so now, what are we dealing with over here? I like to just put the boxes over here because it helps me think in the same kind of way. And so this is 5, 6, 7. So it's 7. 7 basically ones. Close that. And then this is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 20s. And finally over here I've got, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 360s. And so let's see, 360 times 17. Let me see if I did that right. Yeah. So it's going to be 0. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21. 22, 23, 24. Let me try that again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 7, 42, 25. Okay. And then I've got 360. So it is quite a bit of work here, but and of course you could use your calculator on something like this. So I'm getting 6120. And then So that's this guy. That one we can do in our heads, right? That's 180. And this one as well, this is just 7. So adding down, I get 6,307. And that's how you do this problem.